Shallow mer babies! I know, it's been a while. There's just so many things that have been going on in my life. Things I've definitely been doing during this time is just taking a step back and kind of just learning some new skill sets and stuff like that. You know, I'm really looking forward to getting my PADI Mermaid certification, so I'm going to be working on that in the fall. Recently, I came across this makeup school online. It's actually called the Online Makeup Academy. It gives you like a wide range of skin tones, and it even has like special effects makeup. So it's really cool if you're considering a career in makeup. If you just want to better your skill as a performer. I know a lot of mermaids like myself need makeup all the time, especially when it comes to waterproofing your makeup and underwater makeup. I get this question a lot on my channel, is like how I keep my makeup while I'm underwater, and the secret is a lot about layering, which is what I learned in the course, but it's also about sealing your makeup and using a good primer and stuff like that, because it's like a work of art. Your face is like a work of art canvas, so you have to treat it the same way. The great thing about it too is that it has like one-on-one, like you can get personal with the teachers with one-on-one like consultations, and you can like kind of like address specific points or skill sets during those conversations, or improve your makeup skills aside from the cool courses that they offer. It's actually the only school that does this right now, that provides one-on-one individual feedback in a virtual environment. Now personally for me, like I love working from home and working on my studio stuff and my sea-based stuff and my mermaid stuff when I'm not performing, so this is like an ideal scenario for me because I can just pick up where I left off. There's no like hard deadlines or crazy like times. You can kind of just pick it up and go along as you wish or as your schedule allows. If you're interested in something like this, if you're interested in learning makeup and bettering your makeup skill, whether it's for performance or if you want to kind of go into that career, and you can use my code. Use my code to dive in. You can pay on a month-to-month basis. As I said, it covers everything like fashion, editorial, contouring, like basically all of the magical makeup things you would need to become a professional. So I really highly recommend this course, and I hope you guys check it out because I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what you create.